Writing out and counting up those 22 n's in the last quiz took me a really long time, so I can only imagine how torturous it would have been if I had had to multiply 2n by a number bigger than 11. Fortunately, there is a much easier way to simplify terms than adding them together like we did then. To talk about how this works, let's start by considering a term. Let's say 5x times 7y times 2z. Now remember, a term is a bunch of variables or numbers, or both, that are multiplied together. And before we start playing around with this term, I'd like to add one more word to our vocabulary. Factor. Now, factors are things that we multiply together, just like terms are things that we add together. So this term, 5x times 7y times 2z, is made up of a bunch of factors that are all multiplied together. Another way to think of a factor is it's something that a term is divisible by. Now we can't forget that in this term there are invisible multiplication signs between the 5 and the x, the 7 and the y, and the 2 and the z. So another way to think about this term is that it's 5 times x times 7 times y times 2 times z.